As the transition to hybrid working and cloud-based operations gathers pace, we're witnessing the rapid evolution of hybrid and distributed enterprise IT environments. Traditional security strategies, designed for fixed perimeters, have been rendered ineffective in this new perimeter-less digital landscape. In response, leading organizations are adopting a Zero Trust security approach. A survey of over 1,200 security decision makers shows that Zero Trust adoption is accelerating. Armour is at the forefront of this transition, offering an advanced Zero Trust security platform, which provides comprehensive security across on-premise, multi-cloud, and IoT environments. The award-winning platform is powered by software-defined perimeter architecture and blockchain technology, and is aiding organizations across various geographies in fortifying their enterprise IT ecosystems. The platform delivers a cybersecurity mesh, securing hybrid, multi-cloud environments, and provides Zero Trust network access to these IT systems. The comprehensive solution allows clients to phase out a multitude of legacy point products, whilst providing superior server protection and advanced Zero Trust network access, all at a much lower total cost of ownership. Recognized as an outperformer in analyst firm GigaOm's Radar report for Zero Trust network access, Armour continues to set new benchmarks in cybersecurity innovation. Get in touch to learn how you can secure your modern digital enterprise IT ecosystem. Visit www.blockarmour.com today.